2020 has shifted the way training and tutorials are created and spread through business audiences. If you're a business who already sells virtual classes, webinars, or other forms of video training, or if you're a business who sees this as a new revenue stream, this is a tutorial that will help you successfully start selling these programs through your website. The first step you need to take in selling virtual classes online is building a specific page on your website to display the video on. In your Bookmark web builder, select Pages, then click Add Page. Edit the name and link of the page in the page settings. Now it's time to make it password encrypted. Click on Advanced Settings within the Page Settings page. Check the checkbox beside Password Protect page, and then add a username and password that visitors will need to enter to access the page. Then click Save Settings at the bottom of the page. Once that's saved and completed, go back to your web builder and add a video module to the desired area of your website page. Link or upload the video of your virtual class by clicking the video module and then selecting the pencil icon to add the source. Save the selection, then save and publish your website. Voila! You can now sell access to that website using the username and password you generated. If you follow these easy instructions, you should be all set and ready to sell an online class on your website today. If you're having any issues with the setup process, don't worry. You can send us a message anytime at support@bookmark.com and we'll be happy to help you out. Happy holidays!